Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 3.3. Today we learn web scraping with BeautifulSoup. We will practice on 2 sites built for scraping. Quotes to Scrape has famous quotes organized by author and tags. Books to Scrape lists books with titles, prices, and star ratings. Web scraping extracts data from websites by reading their HTML. BeautifulSoup parses HTML into a searchable tree structure. Find gets the first match. Find all returns every matching element. Let us create scrapingbasics.py to fetch and parse HTML. We import requests for fetching pages and BeautifulSoup for parsing the HTML. Requests.get fetches the page. The response holds all the HTML as text. BeautifulSoup parses the raw HTML into a tree we can search through. Find locates the first matching element by tag name and CSS class. .text extracts visible content, stripping away all the HTML tags. Find all returns every matching element. Here it gives us all 10 quotes on the page. Let us review the complete file. Just 31 lines to fetch a page, parse it, and extract structured data from HTML. Now let us run it against quotes to scrape.com. Status 200 means the page loaded. The title confirms we reached the right site. The first quote shows the full text and its author, extracted with find. All 10 quotes are listed with truncated text. Find all captured every quote on the page. CSS selectors find elements using the same syntax as style sheets. Select returns all matches and select one returns just the first. Extract attributes like href and title with bracket syntax. Let us create selectors.py to explore CSS selector syntax. Same imports as before. Requests fetches the page, BeautifulSoup parses it. We fetch the Books to Scrape homepage, which lists 20 books per page. Select uses CSS selector syntax. Article.productPod matches each book card. Select 1 finds a single element. The bracket syntax extracts HTML attributes like title. Each book becomes a dictionary with title, price, and star rating. The formatted output aligns rating, price, and title in neat columns. For price analysis, we strip the pound sign and convert to float for calculations. Let us review the complete file. Select and select one. Use CSS syntax, which is familiar from web development. Now let us run it against books to scrape.com. "20 books found." The first 5 show star rating, price, and title in aligned columns. The price summary shows cheapest and most expensive, plus the average across all 20 books. CSS selectors simplify web scraping. Most websites split data across multiple pages with next and previous links. A scraping function handles one page. A loop calls it to collect everything. Counter from collections tallies results for quick analysis. Let us build a quote collector that scrapes multiple pages automatically. We add counter from collections to analyze patterns in the scraped data. The scrape page function takes a URL and returns all quotes from that page. For each quote div, we extract text, author, and all tags into a dictionary. The list comprehension collects every tag link inside each quote element. Select one checks for a next button and builds the URL if found. The main loop scrapes 3 pages, extending our list with each batch of quotes. If the next URL is none, we have reached the last page and break out of the loop. Counter tallies how many quotes each author contributed across all pages. Most common 5 gives us the top authors sorted by quote count. We do the same for tags. Extend flattens each quote tag list into one big list. Let us review the complete file. "55 lines that fetch, parse, paginate, and analyze quotes." The scrape page function handles one page. The loop calls it repeatedly. Now let us run it and watch the collector in action. Three pages scraped with 30 quotes total. Each page had 10 quotes. Einstein leads with 6 quotes. Rowling and Monroe also appear multiple times. Life and love are the top tags. The sample shows a complete quote with its author and tags. Let us recap web scraping. BeautifulSoup parses HTML. Find and find all locate elements. CSS selectors with select provide flexible queries. Pagination and counter let you scrape and analyze across pages. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. Next time we explore SQLite databases.